Okay, so in this section, let's concentrate on installing Docker in our machines and do the things practically on what we learned in the previous section. Okay, so first let's start by downloading the Docker software in our machines. So just say Docker download or Docker install, whatever. It will redirect you to their official website. Okay, so install Docker desktop for Windows. You can select that link which will take you to this website. Yeah. So here you need to download a Docker Hub. So on clicking this link, you will be prompted to that page where you need to first sign up and give your username and password to register, and thereafter it will allow you to download. You see that get docker is the .exe file which you need to download and run in your machine. But for the first time, whenever you are in this website, you may see that sign up or login. So first you need to sign up, and then this button will be enabled. Okay, so I already have in my machine, so I'm not downloading it, but just click on this link. So this will enable download. So thereafter, the next very important point before you run this .exe file, is checking the prerequisite for your Docker to run. If you see here, requires Microsoft Windows 10 Professional or Enterprise 64-bit. Okay, you need one of these operating system in your machine to make sure this Docker work. If not, that will be more complicated way to use toolbox and set VM on, virtualization on in your machine. That's so complicated and not suggested. So to make it simple, make sure you have your operating system in professional or enterprise mode. In general, people may have Windows 10 home version. You may not have professional or enterprise. In that case, you need to update your operating system with this one of the version. So firstly, you can check if your Windows is on professional or enterprise mode by simply typing activation on your Windows 10, basically system settings. And when you click on this link, it will open you the page where it will give the details of your Windows edition which is installed in your machine. So here you can check. Okay, so it's Windows 10 Pro, that means professional. So in my system, Docker works. But in your system, if you see something like Windows 10 Home, then Docker will not work. When you try to run this .exe file, you will get a message saying you need to have at least professional enterprise to make the system work. So what you can do is you can actually buy it from the App Store. You will have around $100, I guess. Okay, so when you click on change product key, it will, you can go to Windows App Store basically and buy this product. Or there is one more option where you can search in Google, like if you need license for Windows 10 Professional, and I don't suggest any license which you get online for free, but again it depends upon your skills. If you can find one online for this Windows 10 Pro license key, you can go and get that. If not, with the App Store you may have that around $100, but there are some websites which can give you for, you see that there is a eBay which is giving you for $8. Okay, so you will find that. And what else, you just click on compare prices. Yeah, this is the best deal where you have for $8. So that's not a big price. You can simply buy it for $8. And once you have bought that, you will get license to your email. And then once you get license number, go to activation, system settings again, click on change product key and give your license key, whatever you get whenever you buy that. Here the product key, and click on next, next, next. System will restart and then your edition will be updated to Windows 10 Pro. This is how you need to do. But I'm sorry, unfortunately we do not have any solution. You should either have one of this version to make sure Docker works. Okay, so this could be some pain point if you are working on Windows 10 Home, but yeah, we don't have any other solution. It's better to find some license for cheap version online and then you install it. You will have very cool features with this professional. All right, so once you have Docker, you can open this .exe file and click on next, next, and then finally you will see the icon in your desktop or wherever you install that. Okay, something like this, Docker desktop. Okay, you can select this and you can open this icon that will launch the Docker server. So once you select that, you can open your taskbar and you see that you will have something icon like this. For the first time, it will show as Docker desktop is starting. After few seconds, you will see that as in running mode. That's all you need to do. Just install .exe file and run it. But just make sure that you are in Windows 10 Pro. Alright, so once you install, you can simply go to your command prompt and verify if the Docker is installed with Docker -- version. And that will give you the Docker version and tell you if it is successfully installed or not. So that's how you can install Docker. In our next lecture, we'll see how to explore this Docker Hub repository and get the images. Okay, thank you.